So, welcome to this evening's walkthrough. I'm going to start filming here at the Big Bull Steakhouse. Now, these are at the entrance of where the piers are. So, this is one of the first piers that shut out that do all the fish food. So, join me for a little walkthrough. This little walkthrough will take us up around the side of the Hilton. And do apologise about the lens not being super clean. You can get a lot of flare coming off that. I can't get the grease off. I think I got some sun cream on it this afternoon. I'll try my best to get it off, and it's not coming off, so I do apologise. Here we go. Another little entrance to one of the piers. You've got to love this car here. Oh. Folks have got a sense of humour. So this place is absolutely covered in side streets. They're absolutely everywhere. Everyone's coming out of the restaurant. Must have had a nice fish dinner. Once we get around this corner, it gets quite busy. Here you go. Another restaurant on the pier. I went and sat down the other day on the pier and had a fruit juice. It was lovely. It was really windy, so I blew the cobwebs away. That blue hotel there right in front, you can see the blue roof. That's the Hilton, and they have a bar up there. And tomorrow afternoon, I'm going to go up there and get myself a nice cocktail. Now this part of town is very quiet. And other parts of town are quite crazy. So we'll walk up and see how we get on. I'm only in Hua Hin for one more day, and I'm heading down south onto the other coast, onto the Andaman side, we've got a spot of scuba diving. So this is just a fleeting visit, just a 3-day visit in total. Hello! You got ice cream on your head. I'm definitely going to have to clean this lens. It's doing me head in. I've not been on one of these little tuk-tuk things yet, but there do seem to be enough of them. They're flying around everywhere. And we're just at the what's it called? Market Village, the retail place. There are loads of them. Here you go. There's your Hilton. That's one of the buildings you can pretty much see from everywhere. And when I got here a few days ago, for love of the money, could I find a place to convert some cash? Nowhere. And today I've stumbled around about 5 or 6 different places that are open. So that's frustrating. But one tip I will give you, if you are converting cash, you are going to need your passport. Most of the places I've been around in Thailand do need your passport, but they're happy with a digital copy of your passport. Not necessarily the original. So I've been to that. That's the mad place. Happy hour. Steakhouse and they're queuing to get in. Must be good. I went to the night market last night. Actually did a video of that, and that place was absolutely buzzing. So this is a much quieter night. Okay, so money exchange. So just opposite-ish of the Hilton, you can exchange your money here, but you will need your passport. As I said before, normally just a copy on your phone's great. The last thing I'm going to be doing is going out with a passport in my pocket. It's no good if you lose it. So most of the exchange places are around Thailand, unless it's a recent thing that's changed that I'm not aware about, just allow you to show a digital copy off your phone. Saying that, a lot of places I've been to in the past, I've been there for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks at a time. Yeah, there you go, that's another exchange place. So they've got to know my face, so whether that's the case or not, I don't know. I'm just waffling now. Well, time-wise, it's about 7:30 in the evening, so people are just coming out for dinner. I think Hua Hin does tend to attract an older crowd. I'm in my 50s and I feel young, so let's give you an idea. Let's have a look down here. What's down here? Now I walked down there this afternoon. This is the way down. Oh, losing focus a bit. This is the way down to the beach, and it's got quite a lot of market stalls in there, so I won't go down there because that's already on the previous video. Yeah, I think we're getting out of it a little bit now, so what we'll do, we'll go down this road here, double back on myself a little bit, and loop back. And I'll go in like a square. I'll come back on the other side outside Bintaban Road, the noisy place. Don't want to walk down it. I went down the other day with the camera during the afternoon. As soon as I saw the camera, the girls shot off. I heard from a couple of vloggers that they do not appreciate you walking around with a camera vlogging it in the evening, so I'm not going to bother. Unlike the Koh Sam Road where they don't really care, and going into Phuket, the main street there, they don't mind. It just seems to be a little bit more private here. Yeah, so I was walking around yesterday, a couple of days ago, I think, yeah, 2 days ago, I think I was, well, yesterday, I can't remember now. And as I was walking through the side streets where all the massage places are, every single girl that was outside shot off. Didn't want to be on film. Oh, just going to circle around these cars here. Hey man, it's a cool car. Very cool. Gotta love a Beetle. Okay. Let's look down this road. This is City Inn or something. City Beach Resort, City Beach Hotel. I might have a wander in there tomorrow. Yes, this phone does not like a greasy lens. It's hunting for focus when the bright light comes in. Find a bit of soap and give it a proper clean. So I do apologise about the quality of the film on this one. Hey! Here we go, and this is the other side of Soy Winterman. This is the noisy street. I think it was 3:30 the other morning when I left here. Right, okay. There's nothing else down here now, and I've gone like in a full square, so don't think there's anything else to see further down. So I will leave that here. Okay, and thank you for watching. Catch me on the next one. Do like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.